Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation on how ServiceNow transforms IT asset management from chaos to control. On this first slide, you'll see the main title, Asset Management in ServiceNow, Streamlining IT Asset Lifecycle. We'll explore how our platform delivers better visibility, increased efficiency, and ensures compliance across your entire technology landscape. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the key ways ServiceNow can help you manage your IT assets more effectively. Let's get started. Now, let's take a look at how our platform integrates with ServiceNow. It seamlessly connects with key modules such as CMDB, Procurement, Discovery, and SAM Pro. This integration creates a unified ecosystem that simplifies managing your technology investments, making it more efficient and streamlined. Moving on, ServiceNow Asset Management is a vital part of the IT Asset Management suite. It's a comprehensive module designed to help you track, optimize, and govern all your IT assets throughout their entire lifecycle. Whether we're talking about physical hardware, software licenses, or cloud resources, this module provides organizations with complete visibility and control. So, in essence, ServiceNow Asset Management gives you the tools to oversee your assets effectively, ensuring you maximize value while maintaining proper governance. This fits perfectly into our overall theme of creating smarter, more integrated IT management solutions. On this slide, we're looking at how ServiceNow streamlines the entire asset lifecycle by automating workflows at every stage. This means we can dramatically cut down on manual effort and reduce human error, which is a huge benefit. Plus, it helps us stay compliant and keeps our documentation audit-ready throughout the entire journey of an asset. Starting from the very beginning, when we initiate an asset need through standardized request workflows, this is the request phase. Then, as we move to order and receive, the procurement process is tracked automatically, making inventory management much more efficient. Once assets are deployed and in use, ServiceNow allows us to assign and track them to specific users and locations, ensuring accountability and easy management. During the maintain phase, we monitor performance, warranties, and contracts to keep everything running smoothly. Finally, when it's time for the asset's end of life, the system handles secure disposal and license reclamation, making sure everything is compliant and properly documented. All of these steps are interconnected, forming a seamless lifecycle that improves efficiency, accuracy, and compliance across the board. This is how ServiceNow truly supports a comprehensive asset management approach. Streamlined workflows are essential because they help us reduce operational overhead, which means less time and resources spent on routine tasks. This also minimizes risks by ensuring processes are consistent and compliant. When workflows are efficient, your team can focus more on strategic initiatives that really drive value for the organization. Moving on to lifecycle automation, this is about maintaining audit-ready data effortlessly. Automated license reclamation ensures that unused licenses are reclaimed and reallocated, saving costs. Plus, comprehensive tracking of contracts and regulatory requirements keeps everything compliant and ready for audits without manual effort. Now, when we talk about compliance assurance, it's all about having accurate asset valuation, proper license management, and detailed usage analytics. These help us identify opportunities to save money and eliminate unnecessary spending, making sure we're investing wisely. Finally, real-time dashboards and comprehensive reporting give us instant insights into where our assets are, their current status, and how they're being used across the organization. This centralized visibility is crucial for making informed decisions quickly and keeping everything under control. Altogether, these benefits highlight how ServiceNow Asset Management helps streamline operations, ensure compliance, optimize costs, and provide clear visibility, fundamentally supporting a more efficient and strategic approach to managing assets. Now, let's take a closer look at our core data architecture. First, we have the Workflow Tasks Tracking System, which manages activities like install, move, add, change, and disposal. What's important here is that it includes full audit trails and approval workflows, ensuring transparency and accountability at every step. This helps us keep a clear record of all asset-related activities. Next, we have the Asset Task Table, which serves as a metadata repository. It contains essential details such as manufacturer information, model specifications, support contracts, and depreciation schedules. This metadata is crucial for understanding the lifecycle and support needs of each asset. Moving on, the Asset Model Table holds information about the configuration items discovered through automated discovery tools. These are linked to the assets themselves and provide the operational context for each technology component. This linkage helps us understand how assets fit into our overall environment. Then, we have the CMDB Side Table, which extends this information with hardware-specific attributes like serial numbers and software-specific details such as license keys. This specialized data ensures we have all the detailed configuration information needed for effective management. Finally, the Asset Table acts as the foundation. It stores all asset records, whether hardware, software, consumables, or cloud resources, and includes complete lifecycle metadata. This central table is what ties everything together, giving us a comprehensive view of our asset landscape. Overall, this architecture is designed to give us a detailed, interconnected view of our assets, their lifecycle, and the activities associated with them, enabling better control and decision-making across the organization. Now, let's look at how to set up approval chains, notifications, and automated transitions within your asset management processes. This is crucial because it ensures that requests, deployments, and retirements move smoothly through the right channels without unnecessary delays. Automating these workflows not only saves time, but also minimizes errors and keeps everyone informed at each step. Next, we'll explore how to create asset records. You can do this manually by importing data via spreadsheets, or more efficiently, by creating them through intuitive forms. Plus, if you have integrated procurement systems, you can leverage automated connections to streamline the process even further. Moving on, configuring categories, manufacturers, lifecycle stages, and depreciation rules is essential to aligning your asset management with your organization's specific taxonomy. Proper setup here helps you track assets accurately and apply the right policies for each type of asset. Finally, to enable the core functionality of asset management in ServiceNow, navigate to the System Definition section, go to Plugins, and activate the Asset Management plugin. This step unlocks all the features you need to manage your assets effectively from a centralized platform. Putting it all together, these steps form the foundation for a robust, automated, and organized asset management system that supports your overall IT service management goals. Let's talk about how ServiceNow Asset Management helps you manage your software licenses effectively. It monitors usage patterns, ensures you're compliant with licensing agreements, and even highlights opportunities to optimize your software portfolio, saving you money and reducing risks. With SAM Pro, the system automatically discovers and populates asset and configuration item data directly from your network. This means you get an accurate inventory without the tedious manual entry, which keeps your data reliable and up to date. The Discovery feature automates the entire process of procurement, from creating purchase orders to managing vendors and tracking financials. It streamlines requisitions through to receipt and payment, making procurement more efficient and less error-prone. Linking physical and virtual assets to configuration items is crucial for complete visibility. Our CMDB integration offers this capability, providing a clear picture of dependencies and relationships. This is vital for effective change management and minimizing disruptions. Finally, ServiceNow Asset Management's power really comes to life through seamless integrations across the platform ecosystem. These integrations create a unified source of truth for your IT operations, ensuring everyone is working from the same, accurate information and enabling better decision-making. Let's talk about how our automation and compliance features can really streamline your work. First, we have pre-built compliance reports and comprehensive audit trails. These tools make regulatory compliance reviews much easier by providing clear, ready-made reports and detailed records of all activities. This means your team can quickly prepare for audits without the hassle of gathering information manually. Next, we have audit-ready reports that help ensure you're always prepared. These reports are designed to meet regulatory standards and simplify the review process, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Moving on to license management, our workflow-driven license harvesting automatically identifies and reclaims unused software licenses. This process not only ensures you're compliant, but also significantly cuts down on your annual software costs by making sure you're only paying for what you actually need. Finally, our automated notifications keep your team proactively on top of important deadlines. Whether it's contract renewals, warranty expirations, maintenance windows, or compliance deadlines, these alerts help you stay ahead of potential issues and avoid costly surprises. All these features work together to make your compliance efforts more efficient, more accurate, and less burdensome, allowing you to focus on strategic initiatives while staying fully compliant. Organizations that leverage ServiceNow asset management are seeing truly transformative results. They're experiencing significant improvements in operational efficiency, gaining tighter financial control, and making more strategic decisions. One of the key drivers of these improvements is enhanced asset visibility. When organizations have better insight into their assets, they can make smarter procurement choices, optimize how assets are managed throughout their lifecycle, and develop data-driven investment strategies that align with their goals. Another important point is how enhanced visibility combined with automated workflows can speed up provisioning processes. This not only accelerates asset deployment by as much as 85%, but also boosts user satisfaction because things happen faster and more smoothly. On the financial side, improved license compliance and optimization help organizations avoid costly vendor penalties and eliminate unnecessary software overspend. In fact, many organizations are saving over $500,000 annually just by managing their assets more effectively. Plus, by automating manual asset tracking through intelligent workflows, organizations are reducing the time and effort spent on these tasks by around 70%. This automation frees up resources and reduces errors, making the whole process much more efficient. Overall, what we're seeing is that these improvements, speed, cost savings, and better visibility, are not just benefits in isolation. They collectively drive real-world impact, boosting efficiency and saving money, which ultimately supports the broader goals of the organization. Ready to get started? Today, I want to encourage you to begin your ServiceNow asset management journey. By doing so, you'll unlock a level of IT efficiency, financial control, and strategic advantage that can truly transform your organization. Think about how leveraging powerful automation and seamless integrations can revolutionize your IT operations. These tools help streamline processes, reduce manual effort, and free up resources that you can then direct towards innovation and growth. When we talk about operational excellence, the goal is to eliminate waste and optimize license usage. This ensures you're not overspending or underutilizing assets. Plus, maintaining audit-ready compliance across your entire technology portfolio means you're always prepared for audits and regulatory requirements, reducing risk and ensuring smooth operations. On the cost reduction and compliance front, gaining end-to-end visibility is critical. From procurement to retirement, having a clear view of each asset helps ensure that every piece of equipment delivers maximum value. This comprehensive control supports smarter decision-making and better investment in your IT assets. Ultimately, transforming your IT asset management with ServiceNow means taking full control of the asset lifecycle. It's about making smarter choices, reducing costs, and aligning it with your broader strategic goals. So let's move forward confidently and unlock the full potential of your IT environment.